Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which constellation features Betelgeuse, the first star whose size was measured in 1920? Is it A. Orion, B. Ursa Major, C. Cassiopeia, or D. Draco? The answer is A. Orion.
Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the Orion constellation, is so massive that if it replaced our Sun, its surface would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit. Known for its fiery hue and unpredictable dimming, Betelgeuse has fascinated astronomers and inspired myths as the shoulder of the mighty hunter Orion.
Question 2. What is the atomic number for thalium? Is it A. 14, B. 12, C. 81, or D. 26? The answer is C. 81.
Thalium, with the atomic number 81, was once used in rat poison due to its toxicity. Its name is derived from the Greek word thalos, meaning green shoot, because of its bright green spectral line. Interestingly, thallium's toxic nature inspired Agatha Christie to use it as a murder weapon in her novel The Pale Horse.
Question 3. According to Boyle's law, what increases when a gas is compressed to half its size? Is it A. Pressure, B. Luminescence, C. Volume, or D. Temperature? The answer is A. Pressure.
Boyle's law, discovered by Robert Boyle in 1662, reveals the fascinating relationship between pressure and volume in gases. When you compress a gas to half its size, its pressure doubles. This principle is crucial for understanding how syringes work and why deep-sea fish can explode when brought to the surface too quickly.
Question 4. Deoxyribonucleic acid is better known as what? Is it A. DRA, B. RNA, C. DNA, or D. DA? The answer is C. DNA.
DNA, the blueprint of life, is so compactly packed within our cells that if you unraveled all the DNA in your body and laid it end to end, it would stretch approximately twice across the solar system. This incredible molecule carries genetic instructions vital for growth, development, and reproduction.
Question 5. How many faces does a dodecahedron have? Is it A. 8, B. 12, C. 4, or D. 10? The answer is B. 12.
A dodecahedron, with its 12 pentagonal faces, has fascinated mathematicians and artists alike for centuries. In ancient Greece, it was considered one of the 5 Platonic solids, symbolizing the universe's harmony. Its unique structure even inspired Leonardo da Vinci in his studies of geometry and symmetry.
Question 6. What is a male panda known as? Is it A. a boar, B. a macho, C. a drone, or D. a tom? The answer is A. a boar.
In the world of pandas, a male is charmingly called a boar. Despite their hefty size and bear-like appearance, these gentle giants are more closely related to raccoons than bears. With their unique black and white coats, boars play an essential role in the conservation efforts for this beloved species.
Question 7. What is the name of the minute organisms found drifting near the surface of seas and lakes? Is it A. Fishes, B. Plankton, C. Algae, or D. Larvae? The answer is B. Plankton.
Plankton, the tiny drifters of aquatic worlds, are crucial to Earth's ecosystems. They produce over half of the planet's oxygen and serve as a primary food source for many marine creatures. Despite their size, these microscopic marvels play a massive role in regulating our climate by absorbing carbon dioxide.
Question 8. Which small breed of cattle is found wild in the Tibetan Plateu, north of the Himalayas? Is it A. Llama, B. Goat, C. Bison, or D. Yak? The answer is D. Yak.
Yaks, the small breed of cattle found wild on the Tibetan Plateau, are perfectly adapted to high altitudes. With their dense woolly coats and large lungs, they thrive in freezing temperatures where oxygen is scarce. Revered by locals, yaks provide milk, meat, and even fuel from their dried dung.
Question 9. How many legs does a crab have? Is it A. 6, B. 4, C. 10, or D. 2? The answer is C. 10.
Crabs, with their 10 legs, are fascinating creatures that belong to the order Decapita, which literally means 10-footed. These versatile limbs not only help them scuttle sideways at impressive speeds but also assist in digging burrows and even tasting food. Their unique gait is a result of jointed legs adapted for quick lateral movement.
As we orbit away from today's quiz, remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is the gravity that keeps us grounded. Stay curious and keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Let's part ways for now, until tomorrow arrives.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.